Today we're making Moroccan Tektouka, which is different than shakshuka because shakshuka went viral, became fancy, changed its name, now has eggs in it. Kidding aside, the most important thing about Moroccan Tektouka is that you need to roast the peppers on open flame. It gives them a little bit of smokiness and charring. You transfer that into the Tektouka. That's what makes it special.
We're going to start with everyone's favorite, fresh cilantro, 2 big ripe tomatoes, 2 or 3 garlic cloves. I have here 3 cabanel green peppers and 2 sweet Palermo red peppers. You can of course use any other type of sweet peppers except for bell peppers, because bell peppers are tasteless. And again, the most important thing is flame roasting the peppers. You need that charring and that smokiness. Roasting them in the oven just doesn't cut it. Once the surface of the pepper is covered in blisters, transfer immediately into a plastic bag and close it. This would make it very easy to peel off the burnt skin, wash them, and voila! Next step is removing the seeds and cutting them into long medium strips because Taktouka is chunky, which makes it easy to eat with bread. On medium-high heat, cover the bottom of the pan with 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Then add 2 crushed garlic cloves and the roasted peppers. Fry for 5 to 7 minutes. The idea is to soften the peppers and transfer that smokiness and charring into the oil as well. Now add the tomatoes. I removed their seeds and cut them into big pieces. If you want to be nice to your guests, peel them as well. Stir fry for 2 to 3 minutes and then add half a tablespoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, a heaped half a tablespoon of paprika, half a tablespoon of cumin, 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, 1.5 tablespoons of thinly chopped fresh cilantro. Stir it very well. Cover, reduce the heat to low, and cook for 10 minutes. After that, remove the cover and gently mash any large pieces. Then taste and adjust the salt. If you are cooking the main dish at the same time, just let it slowly reduce until most of the water is evaporated. If not, reduce for a couple more minutes and then you're done. You can serve it warm or cold or at room temperature, and I think the flavors are even better the next day. Traditionally it is served as is, which makes it naturally vegan, but if you want to make it a little bit more sexy, throw some feta on top, chiffonade of parsley, and a drizzle of olive oil, and enjoy.